Chapter 14. Expert Advisor Basic Installation. In this module, we will explain how the software program called Expert Advisors works. Expert Advisors are automated programs that inspect market activity and currency price charts for you, searching for market signals that can bring you profit. Based on how you program Expert Advisors, they can even perform trading for you. Now, let's see how you can manage your Expert Advisors. After you have obtained a custom Expert Advisor, you need to copy it to the correct folder so that MT5 can recognize the file. To access this folder, click on File and then click on Open Data folder. From there, locate and open the MQL5 folder. Find the Experts folder. Create a new folder with the name of Expert Advisor. In our case, we name it Alligator, and copy your Expert Advisor to that folder. For the client terminal to recognize the updated database, you will need to restart MT5. After this, you will be able to see your new Expert Advisor in the Expert Advisor list located in the Navigator window. Now let's see some relevant details related to the tools. Then Options. Then Expert Advisors tab. Please note that in the updated version of the MT5 platform, the Algo Trading button was previously known as Auto Trading. By default, and for your safety, two very important options are ticked. The first option is called Disable Automated Trading when the account has been changed. It provides you with the security that, in case you switch from a demo to a real trading account or change one trading account type for another, all active Expert Advisors will be automatically disabled. This means, for example, that if you test a particular Expert Advisor on your demo account and then log into your real account, your Expert Advisor will be disabled. We suggest leaving this option ticked. The second option is Disable Automated Trading when the profile has been changed. It provides you with the security that, in case you change your profile, the Expert Advisor used for a particular chart will be automatically disabled. Now, we will explain how to attach the Expert Advisor to a chart. First, you need to make sure that the option Allow Algorithmic Trading is ticked. Alternatively, you can toggle this option on and off by clicking the Algo Trading button in the toolbar. You can disable all your Expert Advisors by pressing the same button again at any time. Now, you can proceed by pressing OK. You can adjust this option at a later stage when you actually attach the Expert Advisor to the chart. To attach the Expert Advisor to the chart, double-click or right-click and select the Attach option from the drop-down box. Firstly, you should decide to allow Algo Trading or leave it for manual confirmation. In the Inputs tab, you can modify the options specific to every Expert Advisor. You can see the name of your Expert Advisor at the top right-hand side of the chart. The white color of the hat means that the Expert Advisor is disabled, while the blue hat indicates that the Expert Advisor is enabled. Remember that once an Expert Advisor has been attached to a chart, if you drag and drop or replace the current chart with a new one, the Expert Advisor will remain active. To detach your Expert Advisor from the chart, simply close that chart window. Thank you for watching.